What's good, fam? It's your boy Kevin. How y'all doing? I'm doing great. Besides this hot ass Texas weather, I was looking through my channel the other day and I realized that I never recorded an exhaust video. So here I am. If you don't know already, my car is a 2014 Lexus IS350 F Sport, and I have a Invidia Midpipe and a Josie Axleback with a Aftermarket, I guess eBay quad burnt tips. Invidia Midpipe, Josie Axleback. It fits, everything is fine. Direct bolt on. I think they stopped selling the Josie exhaust. I'm not sure, maybe, or they just sell the whole thing. I had the exhaust for about maybe 5-6 years. I like it. It's not too raspy, also not too drony. The first part is gonna be a cold startup. Hope y'all liked it. So let's go. Now, the second part is gonna be revving. I'm gonna pull my car up, I'm gonna rev with y'all for a little bit, and then the third part is gonna be a drive-by. So. So this part is going to be doing a drive-by. Hopefully y'all can hear it. Time to go before I get kicked out.
Is it automatic or?
Yeah, it's automatic.
It's automatic. Oh, that's
supposed to like downshift on the steering wheel, but keep part had an aftermarket steering. But like, the guy didn't even like care. What is that?
This is street legal.
Oh, it's a different steering wheel.
It's a different steering wheel? Like how?
Look. What?
Because they didn't fucking record my when the police pulled me over. They fucking.
All right, boys.
Shut up.
Damn.
Just click this button right here. There, it's recording now.
With the homies right now. See y'all later. Deuces.